Alright, so I had this Bobcat S185 and the fuel solenoid switch was going bad. So I pinned this, I tied this open, and it ran for a while. And then after about a month of that being pinned open, it wouldn't start at all. And what I learned was there's two, it sends out a voltage in this as well. So I did replace this. The fuel solenoid switch part number was OEM was like $220, but if you get the brake solenoid, it was only like $114 OEM, and all you have to do is reuse your rubber boot. So I don't know if that helps anybody else out. This is a G series 2003, I believe. All right.